challenge us. I don't know if anybody will challenge us. I can tell you, it's like tomorrow is 2027. It's like tomorrow is 2027. So all these things will come and we'll just rest. For me, it's still very far. I can't wait. The two leadership of the party, APC is here, PDP is here. Where can you find that unity? Which state? It's only Rivers where you can find that unity. And that's what most people don't like. When they see people are united, working together, they find something hard to make sure they are divided. But since we know, we are refused to be divided. This is only state where the ruling party will win for president. The opposition party will take for the National Assembly. Election that was on the same time, the same minute, the same hour. Clap for us. This is what we call uncommon. This is what we call uncommon. I will thank God that uncommonness has been brought to us from our major uncommon friend. I want to sincerely thank all of you. I believe that God is the infinite blessing will continue to give us the strength to work together and to support Mr. President. See, so many people, what I found out in this country, we hardly remember yesterday. We are in a rush. We have problem. But you have not asked yourself, God, wait a minute, how was yesterday? To solve the problems of this country cannot be a miracle. Decisions of Mr. President is what, if we are patient at the end of the day, we will get to where we want to get to. It cannot be easy that way. That you wanted to bring a policy that something that has spoiled for years, within 6 months, you have changed it. Even if it is a miracle, it is difficult. It is difficult. What we require is give him support. I believe in the Renew Hope agenda. I seriously believe in the Renew Hope agenda. And we're going to do anything to continue to support Mr. President. You know, I was watching television after the court verdicts of every election. Every government that comes out, he said, I thank Mr. President for not interfering. Immediately that has expired, people are saying a different thing. You see, Nigeria is a very devil country. I was watching every governor after Supreme Court judgment. After they thank God, the next one is who? Mr. President. Just after 2-3 weeks, everything had evaporated. Now, it's a different thing. Mr. President, we are dying, we are doing this, we are not doing that. That's the country for you. But let nobody lose hope. Don't lose hope. Why you should not lose hope? If what we are doing in Abuja today, it means that Mr. President will do better. What we are doing in Abuja today will show you there is a sign of good things coming. It is Mr. President. Some people say, we can do well. We say, monkey the job. No, we are three near three. If three no near three, then let monkey jump now. Oh, we can do well in Abuja. If President does not support me, let me come and do well.
Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.